Sunny days are for outdoor adventures.
Come on, Barnaby.
Uh-oh. Look, everyone. Barnaby Bunny can't crossable.
Barnaby's magic drawers are glowing. That means he has the bridge pieces inside. Will you help us find the right shape and color blocks to rebuild the bridge? Awesome! Let's open the magic wagon. Look, a red circle, a yellow triangle, and a blue square. Does the red circle fit into the triangle slot? No, that's a circle. We need the yellow triangle. Great job, Pip! The blue square fits perfectly. What shape is left for the last spot? The red circle! You got it!
We fixed the rainbow bridge!
Shapes and colors everywhere. We fix the bridge and share the care. Great job, team.
Woo! Look at that! What does the golden key unlock? Join us next